Hey everybody, it's Paul coming to you today from Holly Days Nursery in Horsham, Pennsylvania. I want to talk a little bit about spring lawn care. At this time of the year, you should be out trying to get your leaves cleaned up and expose that grass and soil. First thing we want to do before we fertilize, before we put down seed, is to feed our soil. And the Jonathan Green Magical Plus is going to do just that. While adjusting your pH, it's also going to loosen your soil and add organic matter. If your pH is not an issue, we can accomplish the same thing with the Love Your Soil. All right, so we're going to continue on talking about our lawn care. Once you've got your soil taken care of, if you had a lot of crabgrass in your lawn last summer, just like most of us did, we have a product that will feed your lawn and kill the germinating crabgrass seeds before they turn into crabgrass. That's the Jonathan Green Crabgrass Preventer and Lawn Food. And we need to apply this when the forsythia begins to bloom, because crabgrass germinates at the same temperature, soil temperature that is, that forsythia will bloom. Okay, continuing once again with your spring lawn care. If you are seeding or overseeding, seeding being new lawn, overseeding being filling patches in your lawn, you want to use the Jonathan Green Vera Green Seeding and Sodding Fertilizer. It's the only fertilizer we have that has phosphorus in it, which is what promotes strong root growth on new plants. We've talked to you about getting your lawn prepped for spring. One of the major aspects of that is putting down new grass seed for bare spots or thin spots. We have the Ultra, which is their best. If you have sun and shade spots, we have the Sun and Shady. If you have heavy shade, we have the Dense Shade. And then we also have their heavy traffic for areas that have lots of kid traffic or pet traffic. It's a very durable lawn that doesn't wear out from all of that traffic.